morning. I welcome you the last session of stress. This is the ninth rule. The derivational suffixes such as as, anc, en, ess, ful, hod, ice, iesh, ive, less, ly, ment, ness, or, sh, ip, ten, zn don't normally affect the stress. Means where there is a stress in the root word, the same stress mark is carried forward after adding derivational suffixes. There is no change in the stress. Okay. So in the stress word, if there is a the stress on first syllable, even after adding derivational suffixes, in that word also the stress on first syllable. Is it clear? This is derivational suffixes means with the help of the derivational suffixes we can form different words which function different functions like nouns, pronouns, adverbs or adjective. Is it clear? For example, see, carry. It is a one word. It is a verb. After adding derivational suffix aze, it became carriage. It is a noun. The first one verb, the second one after adding derivational suffix it become what is that? Verb. Is it clear? So it is also beauty. It is a noun. After adding ful, it become what is that? Beautiful. It become adjective. Is it clear? Derivational suffixes, with the help of the derivational suffixes we can change the words and also it function also. Is it clear? We can form different words and we can change its form. This is the derivational suffixes. Is it clear? ace, anc, en, es, ess, ful, hod, ice, ish, ive, less, ly, ment, ness, or, sh, ip, zn don't normally affect the stress. Come here. The first one az. Here carry. It is a word. It takes on first syllable. So after adding az, it became carriage. Here also first syllable. Okay, and cover. It is also R silent. What is that? R silent, so that first letter cover. Here also one R silent, so that it takes stress on first letter. Carry and cover. And after adding az, it become coverage. What is that? Coverage. Carry. After adding az, coverage. Cover. Next one anc. Here appearance. First one appear it's a verb, so that stress on disyllabic verb takes stress on which syllable? Second syllable. What is the second syllable? P is the second syllable. Actually A is the one and P are one more syllable. When there is a two same letters side by side, we have to take stress on which letter? Second letter. Is it clear? I already explained. When there is a two same letters, we have to put the stress mark on any on the particular syllable, on the letter. We have to write a vertical bar on the which letter? The second letter, not on the first letter. Here appear. Here same. There is no change after adding a and c. Appearance. Is it clear? And here second verb. It is a disyllabic verb. Attend. Same. We have to. This is the first syllable and this is the second syllable. We have to put what is a vertical bar here. There is same two letters. Here stress on second one. Here also same. After adding a and c, there is no change in the stress. Okay. Here attend. Here attendance. Appear. Here appearance. It is a noun and it is a noun. Those are verbs. Here bright. First one. And after adding en, it became what is a bright and adjective. Light, noun, After adding a en, it become lighten. Is it clear? Light now, brighter. This is also adjective. Here, come here. Perform. Perform. It is a verb. Stress on which syllable? Second syllable. Here one, there one. So disyllabic verb takes stress on second syllable. Perform. Perform. Here after adding er, it becomes performer. Same sense. Stress is stress on same syllable. Begin. It is also verb. Begin. Disyllabic verb takes stress on second syllable. Here, adding er, it's a beginner. What is that? Beginner. Begin. Beginner. Beginner means what is that? One who begins something is called as a beginner. Is it clear? Come here. Next one. ESS. Tiger. It is a noun and R silent. Tiger. Disyllabic noun. So that first syllable. Here, tigress. There is no change in the stress after adding es. Tigress. Here, baron. 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 After adding ess, there is no change. Baroness. Baron. Male priest. And baroness, female priest. Husband, wife of baron. Baroness. Tiger, same. Tigress. Next, beauty. Noun. There is no. It's a disyllabic noun. So stress on first syllable. Color. R silent. Noun. So stress on first syllable. There is no change after adding FUL. It is an adjective. Beautiful. After adding FUL, colorful. It is also adjective. There is no change. There is no change. That is the greatness of derivational suffixes. Derivational suffixes. Is it clear? Beauty. First letter. First syllable. Beautiful. After adding FUL also, what is that first syllable? Hood. 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 Brother. Disyllabic noun. Disyllabic noun R silent. So that first letter. First syllable. Priest. It is also first one. Okay. After adding a hood, there is no change. Brotherhood. Priest. There is no change after adding ED. HOOD. Hood. Priesthood. Lively. Livelihood. Okay. Brother. Brotherhood. Priest. Priesthood. Child. Childhood also. Next one. ICE. What is that? ICE. ICE. There is only one word. Coward. It is a noun. Coward. R silent. Disyllabic. And after adding ICE, there is no change. Cowardice. 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 Coward. Cowardice. Next one. ISH. ISH. Fever. R silent. Disyllabic. Disyllabic. It is a noun. Fever is after adding ISH, there is no change. Same. Fever. Fever is. Yellow. It is a noun. Disyllabic noun. So stress on first syllable. After adding ISH, there is no change. Same. Yellow is adjective. Fever is adjective. Yellow is also adjective. Is it clear? ISH. Come here. IVE. IVE. Attend. Attend. It is a verb. Disyllabic verb. Two same letter. Disyllabic verb takes stress on which syllable? Second syllable. So same letter, you have to put vertical bar on the second letter. Attentive. IVE. After adding IVE, okay, there is no change in the stress. Attend. Ear. Attentive. Attentive. Next one. Permit. It is a verb. Disyllabic verb. Permit means so here you have to put vertical bar on the M, not on R. Permit. Per. Mit. Disyllabic verb. Disyllabic verb. So second syllable. After adding a IVE, it not permitting. It's permissive. So second syllable for second syllable here M. Permissive. Okay. Submit. Submissive. Attend. Attentive. Permit. Permissive. Submit. Submissive. Okay, LESS, color, disyllabic noun, disyllabic noun, disyllabic noun, because R is silent, so that first syllable. After adding LESS, colorless, same, there is no change. Fear, it is also R silent noun, so fearless. After adding LESS, there is no change. Fearless, colorless, fearless, adjective, qualities. LY, short time, short time. Okay, first syllable. After adding ly, there is no change. Certainly. Okay, purpose. I think first syllable. It is a noun. And here first syllable. Next one, MENT. Involve. Involve, it is a verb, disyllabic verb. So second syllable, involve. Here involvement, after adding a MENT, there is no change. Involvement. Next one, manage, disyllabic. Okay. Next one, after adding MENT, there is no change. Management. Engagement. Okay, involvement, management. I don't have a space here, so that I am writing here. Next one, NESS, OR, SHIP, TER, ZGN. NESS. The word is better. Better, R silent, so first letter. Bitterness, NESS. After adding ness, there is no change. Bitterness, here B, bitterness. Next one, OR. Here collect, what is the collect? Collect is a verb, disyllabic verb. So verb takes stress on second syllable. There is again two same letters. So that we have to vertical bar. We have to put vertical bar on L, second L. Collect. After adding OR, it become collector noun. Same here, collector. Okay, other, R silent, disyllabic noun. Okay, first syllable. Here, othership. Okay, and SHIP. Othership. TER, laugh. LA, laugh, it's a noun. Sometimes verb also. Laughter, it's a laughter. There is no change here. Laughter. The last derivational suffix ZGN. I am writing there. City. After adding ZGN becomes citizen. City noun. After adding ZGN, it becomes citizen, noun and noun. Okay. Is it clear? City noun, disyllabic noun. So expression first syllable. After adding ZN, there is no change. So this is the last rule. What is the rule? The derivational suffixes such as AZE, ANCE, EN, ESS, FUL and HOD, ICE, ISH, IVE, LESS, LY, MENT, NESS, OR, SHP, TER, ZN don't affect normally the stress. There is no change. In the stress mark. See, in the root word, there is a stress on second syllable. After adding A and C, there is no change. Stress on P again. Here, this is called root words. These are called root words. This is the, what is that? After adding a, it's a new word. There is no change in the stress. That is the greatness of derivational suffixes. This is the stress. Okay, it is a little difficult. If you learn all 9 rules, it is easy to get 5 marks, no doubt at all, because you will be given 10 words. You have to write only 5 words. Is it clear? So this is the topic called stress. Topic called stress. So I'm requesting you to note down the complete notes. I don't want to teach again after starting the classes, regular classes. So better to listen carefully, better to learn all the things and make it down notes. Is it clear? Thank you very much.